So UGOR, or you can say United Global Oil Reserve, became one of the token that actually came back stronger than it dumped. You can see here the token was kind of crazy. It was going crazy. Then today itself, on of 19th of March, it actually dumped to nearly zero. And guess what? We booked profit. My community booked profit, but then it again started reversing. I have never seen such phenomena for a meme coin in which it gets dumped completely and then came back stronger. So in this video, we'll analyze UGR coin once again. We'll check UGR crypto price action and see if it's the right time for you to again enter back into this token, because after being dumped, this token has shown a massive recovery and can actually pump higher. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about UGOR and check out its prediction again. Before I begin and take you to the details, remember I share alphas every day. So make sure, first of all, you should click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And make sure to click on the join button below and be part of my Telegram community. Now let's dive in. So first of all, the question is what is going on with UGR? So UGR is a token that actually made people a lot of money when it started pumping on 5th of March and has a linear price action that goes as high as 2 cents. So when it hit 2 cents, well, that is when we made money. We exited, placing a limit order, and then it dumped. So today it dumped and went straight down to actually nearly nothing. So many believed that they lost money who didn't put the stop loss or did not follow my strategy. But today I'm telling you, this token has made a massive comeback, which means after getting dumped, it has now recovered massively and showing signs of growth. That is excellent for a token that is actually a meme coin and also pretty famous this month. So the question is, should you invest it? For that, let me give you a few indicators. So right now it's standing at $14.6 million market cap with the volume of $1.9 million, which is good. Now again, look at some stat. The socials or holders are already rising. 26K already growing up despite the dump. And of course, the top 10 holders are holding nearly 11% of supply, which is good. So, right now, it looks like a safe bet. But let me remind you one thing, and that is if you look at the bubble maps, it is still very much clustered. So, if you think this is the right time to buy it, well, I suggest you to wait for 1 or 2 days and see where the price action is going. This map means, like I explained in my Telegram community, especially in public and private. If you want to join public, you can click on the link below in the description and join it right away and get this information right in front of you. So, this is very clustered. That means the token is again ready for another big dump. When it will happen, we don't know, but again, people are getting tempted to buy it once again. Well, I think that can be a good decision in the short term, but on the long term, you should definitely take out profits as soon as you're profitable, because this thing will dump even more second time. And I believe for it to hit a nearly a target of this much, which means this fib retracement looks quite good in this case, and I believe it can go higher, but do not expect much. So if you're expecting it to hit 10 cent, 20 cent, $1, well, that's a dream, I can say. But overall, I can say it's still a risky asset. After being dumped, meme coins should not be invested ideally until or unless some whale invest in it for the long term. And in this case, I would rather tell you wait for a few more days and then take a call, and do not put all your money. Start with $10 $15 and see how it goes. So that's my call. This is a good recovery, I must say, but again, this is still bundled, so level of risk is already there. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and if you want to find alphas fast, well, join my public Telegram group and be part of the Platinum membership. Thank you.